asymmetric nature of Doppler effect in sound. To show asymmetric nature of Doppler effect in sound, we will consider two cases. Case first, source is moving towards stationary listener with velocity u, and another case, listener is moving towards the stationary source with velocity small u. Consider a case first. Consider case first. Source is moving towards stationary listener with velocity u. This is the source. Source is moving with velocity u. L is the listener. The condition is listener is a stationary, therefore its velocity is equal to 0, CL is equal to 0. Now we know that n dash apparent frequency is equal to the relation C plus Cm minus Cl divided by C plus Cm minus Cs into n. Put Cl is equal to 0. Consider medium as a stationary, therefore Cm is equal to 0. Then we have n dash is equal to the relation for apparent frequency becomes n dash is equal to C divided by C minus Cs into n. Again put the velocity of Cs, that is u. Then we have n dash is equal to C divided by C minus u into n. Consider as equation number 1. Another case for showing asymmetric nature of Doppler effect in sound is source is a stationary, listener is moving towards the source. The velocity of listener CL, that is equal to minus of u, the direction is towards the source, so that its value is negative. CL is equal to minus u, Cs is equal to 0. Put these values in apparent frequency equation and medium is considered as a stationary. Then n dash is equal to, we get n double dash is equal to C plus u upon C into n. This is apparent frequency in case second, that is listener is moving towards stationary source with velocity u. N dash is a change in frequency or apparent frequency when source is moving towards the stationary listener. This is case first and this is case second. From this case second we get a equation n double dash is equal to C plus u upon C into n. Consider as equation number 2. Now compare equation 1 here and equation 1 2 here. Then we get the asymmetric nature of Doppler effect. N dash minus n double dash, this is the value of n dash, and here n double dash. Subtract from each other, then we get C upon C minus u into n minus C plus u upon C into n. Simplifying this is the equation. That equation is not equal to 0. It shows that n dash minus n double dash not equal to 0. It means that n dash is not equal to n double dash. This relation shows that asymmetric nature. This relation shows that asymmetric nature of a Doppler effect. This equation shows that asymmetric nature of Doppler effect in sound